Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Toy Time, your favorite YouTube channel. Today we have news for you guys, but you have to watch the video to find out what it is. Are you guys already subscribed to our channel? Hurry up and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the news from the Paw Patrol, the LOL surprises, and many more toys. Okay, so this video was a suggestion from one of our followers. She asked us to post a video of Everest and Marshall's wedding, so we decided to start a whole new season with the Paw Patrol adventures. So if you have a suggestion, leave us a comment and let us know what other videos you want to see here on our channel. Also, I wonder which one of you guys will be the first one to leave us a comment on this video. Okay, so time to start the show. Hi guys! Alright, so today I decided to go on a nice lunch with Chase, Marshall, and Everest. Hi Sky, how are you? Thanks for inviting me out to lunch. Oh, you're very welcome, Everest. I miss you, my friend. I haven't seen you in such a long time. I know. How are the babies? They must be getting so big. I miss them. I know, they're getting very big, Everest. Today I found a dog sitter to watch them, so I could come here and meet up with you and with Marshall. I hope the kids are very well behaved while the dog sitter is watching them. Oh, Sky, I'm sure they will be. They're such well-behaved puppies. Oh, thanks, Everest. You're so kind. Okay, so now that we're here, look, we already ordered a fruit salad plate and also some muffins and some bread. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. I'm also very thirsty. I'd like to order some water. And I would like to order some iced tea. Today is such a hot summer day. Hey, Everest, do you want to tell them the news? What's the news? Sky and I want to know. I wanted to tell you guys that Marshall and I are getting married. That's the news. Wow, congratulations you guys. That's great news. We're so happy for you. I can imagine the party will be beautiful. Oh, thanks, Sky. But your wedding was also very beautiful. I'm gonna use it as my inspiration wedding. I have so much to plan. But I wanted to ask you one more thing. What is it, Everest? Well, Marshall and I would like to know if your babies would like to be in our wedding. We need flower girls and we also need a ring bearer. Would they like to participate in our wedding? Of course, Everest. That will be such a great experience for them. They will be so happy to be included. And I can picture them picking the beautiful dresses and their outfits for the wedding. Oh, thanks, Sky. I'm so happy because they are the cutest puppies ever, and I really wanted them to be able to come to the wedding. Alright, so we have lots to plan. Do you have the wedding date? Yes, I do. It's gonna be on the next video. That's perfect timing, Everest. I'll be here to help you plan for the wedding. Well, remember, Chase, the day we got married? Yes, I remember, Sky. Seems like it was just yesterday and it was such a long time ago. Wow, that was a beautiful day. Hey, I'm so happy for you, Marshall and Everest. Well, if you need any kind of help from me, you also let me know. I'm here to help you guys plan for the wedding. And now, one big hooray for Marshall and Everest. Their wedding video is gonna be on the next video we post here on our channel. Congratulations, you guys. Yes, that's right. We're so happy for you guys. Are we the first ones to know about the great news? Did you call Ryder yet? Well, I was going to call Ryder right now. I need my cell phone. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. I wanted to call Ryder when you guys were here with us because I want to share the great news at the same time with you guys and with Ryder. Okay, so let me give him a call. Here is my cell phone. Okay, it's ringing. Hello, Ryder? This is Everest and Marshall. How are you?
Oh, hi Everest and Marshall. I'm doing good. What about you guys?
We're doing great. Well, we're calling you today because we have great news to share with you. We're here with Chase and Sky, and we wanted to tell you something amazing that's gonna happen on our next video.
Wow, I can't wait to find out. What is it, Everest?
Well, I wanted to tell you that there will be another big Paw Patrol wedding on the way. It will be on our next video. Marshall and I are getting married.
Wow, Everest, I'm so happy for you guys. Congratulations.
Thanks, Ryder. And also, Sky and Chase's babies will be the flower girls and the ring bearer. What do you think? It will be such a beautiful wedding, right?
Yes, it will. I am thrilled. Can't wait to help you. I can help you with anything that you guys need, okay? Any preparation for the wedding, just let me know.
Okay, thanks, Ryder.
You're welcome. Is Marshall there? Can I talk to him?
Of course. Here is Marshall.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Ryder. This is Marshall.
Hi, Marshall. Congratulations. Wow, I am very happy for you.
Thanks, Ryder. We're very happy too. And we couldn't wait to tell you the great news. So what do you think on the next video we post the wedding?
That's a great idea. Okay, so I will meet you guys later. We have to celebrate.
Thank you. And if you want to tell all the other puppies the great news, of course you can share the news with everyone. We're very happy to share the great news.
Okay, I will do. Okay, so congratulations to you and to Everest. I'm very happy with the great news.
Thanks, Ryder. Okay, so I'll talk to you soon. Wow, I'm so happy to be planning the wedding. And the wedding is gonna be on our next video. What do you guys think? Wow, so now I have so much to prepare for the wedding. And the wedding is gonna be on the next video. I still have to shop for the bridal gown. Wow, how am I gonna find the perfect dress? Sky, would you like to go with me? Of course, Everest. I would love to go shopping for the dress with you. And also, you can see the dresses for the flower girl. It has to match your dress. That's a great idea, Sky. Alright, guys. So if you guys liked our video, hurry up and subscribe to our channel so you can watch our next Paw Patrol video, which will be the wedding. And also ask all your friends to subscribe to our video and share our video so many people can watch the wedding. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching Toy Toy Time. Please subscribe.